In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail, 5 minutes. We'll walk through getting in, writing a message, adding attachments, and keeping your inbox organized, all in a clear, beginner-friendly way. Start by opening your browser and going to gmail.com. If you're new, look for the Create Account option on the sign-in page. That will guide you through setting up a free Google account, which gives you Gmail automatically. If you already use any Google service, you can sign in with that same account. There's no separate Gmail sign-up required. If you can't remember your details, use the recovery options to get back in safely. Once you're in, you'll land in your inbox. This is where incoming messages appear. On the left sidebar, you'll see places like sent for messages you've already sent, drafts for messages you started but haven't finished, and spam for unwanted emails that Gmail filters for you. Depending on your settings, Gmail may group messages into tabs like primary, social, and promotions to reduce clutter. At the top, the search bar helps you quickly find messages by sender, subject, or keywords. Super handy as your mailbox grows. To write a new message, click the big Compose button. A small window opens. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field, add a short, clear subject, and then write your message in the main area. If you need to loop others in, you can use CC, and for discrete copies, use BCC. Gmail auto-saves drafts as you type, so you won't lose your work if you need to step away. Keep your paragraphs short and scannable to make your email easy to read. For formatting, click the A icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Here you can change fonts, adjust size, make text bold or italic, add color, highlight important points, or create bullet and numbered lists. Use formatting sparingly so your message stays clean and professional. To include files, choose the paperclip icon to attach documents or images from your computer. For larger items, use the Google Drive icon, which sends a link to files stored in the cloud. Many providers limit attachments to around 25 megabytes. Drive helps you avoid that limit. If you share from Drive, double-check the sharing settings so your recipient can open the file. Gmail organizes with labels instead of traditional folders. An email can have multiple labels, so you don't have to choose just one place. Apply labels using the label icon above a message, and you'll see those labels listed on the left. You can even color code labels to make them stand out. From here, keep exploring. Try the gear icon for settings like themes, signatures, and vacation replies, and consider filters to automatically label or archive routine mail. With these basics, you're ready to use Gmail confidently every day.